There you go. It's on video. There you go. Hold it though. All right. Okay, video. Okay, Christy. Nice. Oh my God. AJ, check this out, dude. So, bro, you're drunk as fuck, dude.
Christy,
You know?
she's not trying to whisper like it's gonna make any difference.
I love you to death, dude. You know? This had to happen. Cause you know why? Cause you passed out with your shoes on. So.
Christy, let me see.
So, Tracy.
Oh wait, never mind.
Christy. Nick. Andres. I'll put Juan's name in this too, dude.
Even though you looked what?
We all fucking love you to death, dude. You know? We all love you to death, bro. But the thing is, you gotta, if you wanna kick